Welcome to Steps to Make and welcome to Bali. We're still over here for last 8 months, and this is actually the reason why this video is coming out only now, because in 2023 we will be creating more of that raw content, more of the real behind the scenes on how you can actually get to travel, get to go to dream destinations, rather than just showing you that we are already there. So it will take a lot of videos with behind of the scenes of how to become a content creator, as well as what apps we use, what platforms we use, how do we monetize our travels, what it really truly takes, rather than being just like, hello, we are here in this luxury lodge and no one has any idea how did we get there. No, we will be also sharing how do we land brand deals, how do we find hotels to collaborate with, how do we find products to create user-generated content for, and all of that good stuff that content creators do behind the scenes and show you the best parts. We actually want to show you it all, and this year will be it. We're going to launch way more episodes than we used to. We will be involving you more than we did before, so make sure, get ready to leave comments, get ready to getting involved with us more than you did last year when we started our YouTube journey full time. So it's been amazing. We actually been working for ourselves since 2022, end of January, beginning of February, and it's absolutely different to becoming your own boss rather than, working for someone else. When you know that the money is coming in, now you're the only one responsible for that, and it changes the whole game. But we want to make this lifestyle sustainable, so this is why in 2023 YouTube on Steps to Make channel will be a little bit different. There will be dream destinations because our goal is to travel to at least 5 new countries this year, but also YouTube will be more of a platform where we share behind the scenes of how did we make it to those dream destinations, what did it actually take, and what you can do in order to go to your dream destinations. And today's video is all about what do you do when you run out of the money and you're a content creator. So this kind of happened with us. So what we did was, first rule, usually when you run out of money, make sure to think outside of the box and see what do you have in your hands, what options you have for making some money. So we actually did cherry picking. You probably have seen our videos. They went pretty crazy this year, as a lot of you actually went to New Zealand to pick cherries this year. Super amazing. I hope you get all the money that you possibly can. It's an amazing thing to experience. The second thing that you can do is get a part-time remote job as well. I noticed that a lot of content creators start this way, and I believe this would be really, really helpful if we would have thought about it when we had no money actually. Yeah. The third thing would be create a plan with an idea, keeping in mind what you actually want to do. So with no plan, you have no destination. That means that you don't know where you're going really. Of course, you can always just float in life, but if you really want to make travel lifestyle sustainable, then plan is amazing idea. And if you have structures and systems in places, it changes the whole thing. Now after 8 months working for ourselves, it has changed our mindsets massively, knowing where we're actually going. This new YouTube concept is out, and I'm so excited to bring you on with us this year in this journey of travel destinations and more of behind the scenes. How can you get there too? Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe if you're a becoming content creator especially. See ya!